The main Python programming paradigms. The major paradigms of Python and their associated explanation are as follows. Number one, object-oriented programming. This programming paradigm refers to real-world objects. It is the paradigm which states that any object in the real world may be represented as Python code in the form of a variable and may take on its real-world attributes. A good example would be being able to create an object car and assign and manipulate various properties of it, such as color, weight, dimensions, and so on. Simply put, any object in the real world is able to be expressed as an object in the Python programming language itself. Number two, functional programming. A function is a block of code. These are lines of code enclosed and kept together with a collective name. Upon calling the name of the function, we call on all lines of code within the function or block to be executed as well. The key aspect of a function is that all the lines of code within it work together to provide us with a computational output. To provide you with insight into an example of a function, think of our pot of biryani as the function name. Instead of carrying each grain of rice line of code, you can simply carry the entire pot with you. And when you carry the pot, you are calling on all the rice grains within to come together and work towards a common output. Number three, procedural programming. This simply means that every line of Python code is executed in an order of sequence, that is, a sequential order. Every Python script may be broken down into its constituents, that is, variables, lines of code, functions, and so on. Every Python script is executed in a fixed order. The script is compiled from top to bottom, left to right. This serves to make us aware that every portion of code in a Python script is there for a reason and serves a purpose. Every element, irrespective of memory size, forms a part of the higher level of processing and procedures. Example: in the same way that your daily life may be broken down into several tasks, waking up, working, and resting, and much more, all these activities form a part of the higher goal that you will achieve in the near future.